fun right now because this is something I've never even heard of before, but yet Solar Sandy knew someone that had one. I have with me Kevin Davis, and he's the owner of Arizona Barn Doors. Welcome to the show. Tell everybody a little bit about yourself and what Arizona Barn Doors is.
Well, Arizona Barn Doors is a company that we started a couple of years ago. We started really kind of out of the nowhere.
What is it?
Well, it's doors that we put inside people's houses that have big casters at the top, big wheels, and roll sideways.
It's awesome. I saw it.
That's it.
It's exactly what it is.
Well, you know, we got started a couple years ago. We're a family owned and operated business. I run the shop. I have my daughters and sons that work out there with me. My mom and dad both work for me. My mom's an office manager, and my dad does most of our sales. Like I said, we started a couple years ago, and
all right. So wait a minute, I got to know, why does somebody? And I saw them. First of all, they're beautiful.
Well, thank you very much.
They're not what you think. They're really, really neat. I'm sure you can do almost anything for anyone, distressed or not, or whatever. But they're gorgeous. Tell everybody why anyone would want an Arizona barn door in their home.
Well, you know, one of our main gripes, I guess, that we get from people is that one person gets up in the morning, and nowadays they don't put any doors on the bathroom doors anymore, separating from your master bedroom to your bathroom. And so somebody gets up early, turns on the light, wakes up the wife, or vice versa.
The hair blower's on.
Yeah. So they want something that can block that light. We offer that. Also with mirror on the inside as well.
So that's not necessarily done as a barn. That is, or is it?
No. The barn doors is the way that the door is built.
Okay, let's talk about that because that makes more sense now. Okay,
right.
Go ahead.
The barn doors that we build are 2¼ inches thick. We layer them with 3 layers of wood. We also use screws. We don't use any glue. We don't use any putty. We don't use anything like that. Our doors are solid, and we're known for that. So you can look on our website and find out and see all kinds of those on there. We do office doors, bathroom doors. I mean, you name it.
So you're both residential and commercial.
Absolutely. I want people to give me their ideas because you know, I build to order. So give me your weirdest, craziest, whatever you can come up with, bring it to me, and we'll figure it out. We've been 100% satisfaction rate so far.
Does it matter if they have an archway in their through their bathroom that doesn't have a door?
Absolutely not. It does not matter at all. A lot of people have a niche where it's popped out around their doors. We actually are able to do that. We're very innovative when it comes to our designs. We actually use a lot of glass. We use a lot of mirrors. We use a lot of everything. So
now,
we're very open to that.
You're rated with the Better Business Bureau. You're valley-wide, and you obviously do free consultations, and you do free estimates. You're also licensed, bonded, and insured.
All of it.
The website is ArizonaBarnDoors.com, and you can also call them direct. Their phone number is 480-430-1236. And if you call in here and you do it through me, you're going to go ahead and get, well, how much off? 25% off?
25%.
25% off. They want to do a deal for you. If you call through me, our number here is 602-277-5369. Toll free, it's 1-866-536-1100. First, get the estimate. Call in here just for that free estimate, and then you can go from there. 602-277-5369, and toll free, it's 1-866-536-1100. These are very unique, though.
Yes.
You've done some really beautiful work because I've seen it.
Absolutely. And, you know, like I said, I just love the opportunity to be able to give somebody something in their home that they're proud of. We've had so many people that refer other people and other people and other people on top of that, and it's just been great. It's been a great experience for us.
And tell us again what was unique about your business.
Well, our business is, first of all, we're family owned and operated. You know, that's unique about us. Second of all, we do the free consults in your home, and we are taking ideas from anything and everything that anybody can give us. You know, we shoot 100% satisfaction to our customers. If you're not happy, I will be back there personally to make sure that you are.
And you said you're known for your solid doors. What does that mean?
What that means is that most people make doors nowadays. When we first started, there wasn't very many people doing this. Now all of a sudden there's a lot of people doing it, and they're using just pieces of plywood and they're nailing them on. What we do is we actually screw everything together with screws, and
like in the olden days.
Yeah, absolutely. And I build all my own hardware. Everything that we have is made by us. So, I mean, I think the only things that we buy are the casters and the handles, and that's it.
Now, again, they are valley-wide, 8+ rated with the Better Business Bureau. They're licensed, bonded, and insured. They do free consultations and free estimates as well. You can call them. Their phone number is 480-430-1236. It's ArizonaBarnDoors.com, or you can call in here, and whether you call them or me, but you can get connected through me, and to get that 25% off by calling here at 602-277-5369, or toll free. It's 1-866-536-1100. And if you call them, just tell them you heard it on Networking Arizona.
Absolutely.
So the question that I have too, obviously somebody's thinking about this, that might be a good idea. They may not pick up the phone like right away.
Right.
But when you come in, what's the turnaround time for everybody to get it all done?
Well, right now, from the time we get deposited, it's about 6 to 8 weeks. And we are constantly trying to make that even better. You know, people hate waiting around for stuff like that. I get people that are so anxious. I get emails. You know, it's 2 weeks after they've sent in their money, and well, where are we at with your door? You know, where are we at with it? And, you know, so a lot of people are very excited about that. I get a whole ton of people. You know, we don't just do doors as well. We also do wood walls. We also do, we're a woodworking company. So we do tables. We do lots of things. I mean, it just depends. I want someone to give me ideas.
But this is custom.
Absolutely. Build everything in-house. Yes, everything in-house. The stain is in-house. We do, you know, everything in-house. So it's completely custom.
Does that mean that you don't do the work there? You do the work in-house and then you bring it in so it's clean?
That's correct.
That's another thing that's really important, because nobody wants to have all that mess.
No way. No. I have a shop, and we're located over in Phoenix off of 40th Street in LaSalle. When we're over there, we build everything there and bring it to your house.
Now, why do your customers select you over your competitors?
Quality, number one. Everything that we do is 100% quality. That's what we want. That's what we're known for. And that's definitely what we want to keep doing. So,
and it's not just doors. We just found out it's a lot more than that. They could be tables. It could be almost anything, and it's custom made to your request.
Absolutely. You know, the colors, we allow the client to choose all their colors, of course. Everybody's house is different. Some people like traditional stuff. Some people like more modern stuff. Some people like want the light to come through, so we can put glass panels in there. I mean,
well, one thing we know is we know these houses all look all the same.
Right.
Basically, it's a way of you making it custom.
Absolutely. You know, that's the trend nowadays, and you know, everyone watches HGTV, so everybody knows. You know, everyone sees the people on there and their doors and their remodeling, and you'd be surprised. Every single person, just about everybody that I go in their house is remodeling and doing some sort of something. So
absolutely, they are rated with the Better Business Bureau. They're licensed, bonded, and insured. They're valley-wide. They do free consultations and estimates. And if you call in here, you're going to get 25% off by just calling in here at 602-277-5369. Toll free, it's 1-866-536-1100. And I'm going to let everyone call throughout the rest of the show for this. It's ArizonaBarnDoors.com. But they also do tables and almost anything.
Woodwork.
Any woodwork.
All
woodwork. They are known for their solid doors, but solid wood, I should say.
That's right.
And
quality.
Again, you can check them out. It's ArizonaBarnDoors.com, or call them direct. It's 480-430-1236, or call in here and get that 25% off at 602-277-5369.